Hello, everyone, and welcome to Chapter 2 Club, Smart Women's Guide to Breakups and Everything After. Today, I'm here with Cassie Xanthakine, relationship expert and CEO and founder of Innovative Match, and we're going to be talking about how your fear of dating is holding you back. Hey, Cassie.
Hi, Melanie. Thanks for having me. Yes, fear definitely is the number one topic that I discuss with my clients because it is a real one and it's a big one. And a lot of people won't even get back out dating because they're so afraid of it. There's
Yeah.
actually a word called ceremosophobia, and that's the fear of love play or
Okay.
any engagement when it comes to dating, love, relationships. And it's sad because it does hold people back. And at the end of the day, when we get down to the root of the problem, it has to do with being rejected, right? A lot of, especially if you're online, a lot of people feel rejected or they don't want to get hurt again. But rejection, I would say, is number one. And you have to go into dating depersonalizing it. You can't if you can't sit and personalize every little email that you send out on online dating and figuring out why this person didn't respond to you. Well, everybody has their own reasons, and perhaps it has nothing to do with you,
Yeah.
right? So fear is something that stops people in their tracks. And so what I want to encourage singles to do, single women to do, if you've been hurt or you've lost someone you've loved, those are real emotions that you bring to the table, right? But you have to take the risk in order to find it again. And there's always that possibility where you may not be able to be so successful in dating and finding somebody right off the bat, but you got to keep trying. Dating is a process, it's a journey, it's your personal journey. And so, what I tell my clients is in order to really open up and find that person again and feel that love again, you got to take the risk and the chance. And you have to try to get over your fear and do it if you have to do it in baby steps, and do it. Maybe tell your friends that you're single. Maybe start writing your dating profile. Maybe go on a one match.com or one site and seeing what's out there. But the biggest takeaway I can tell you is depersonalize the process, understand it's a journey, and get back out there and date because that person is there. I see it all the time. I deal with it all the time. And I love the success stories behind it. I love the fact that a client can start out very fearful, but then throughout the journey of dating, really become confident in themselves. There's just so much to dating other than just finding your partner. It's finding yourself and confidence as well.
Great.
So that's my tip about fear. Try and you either baby steps or just go for it and realize that love is a powerful thing, and you take away everything else. At the end of the day, love is what really matters. So thanks for having me.
Thank you so much.
I hope that helps.
Thank you. To our audience out there, thank you for joining us. And you can find more resources on our website at chapter2club.com. And we'll see you next time.
Thank you.